Welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now today I did my table in a spring theme with white tulips and some really pretty blue flowers. And I'm using my tea set. This is my Japanese tea set that I thrifted many years ago. And then I also purchased this salad plate from the Dollar General. I have a bluish napkin across the dinner plate, which matches the blue flowers. And then I have a white charger for all four place settings. So yes, I got the salad plate and the dinner plate at the Dollar General for just $1 each. I could not believe it. Good deal. And then here I've got a bluish goblet that was purchased from Amazon. And here's a little ginger jar that matches the Japanese tea set. And I just keep extra tea bags in this. I thrifted that as well. And I have everything on a really pretty white runner. And here is the matching teacup. Again, just $1. And I have a couple of candles on a crystal candle holder with a little bit of greenery around it. Now I'm giving you an overview. I just thought these plates from the Dollar General were so pretty for just $1. I just purchased those today. And then I do have some more wine glasses. I'm not sure where I purchased those at. And then this little cloche is for butter or whatever small you want to put inside. And I also have this little crystal clock. I've had that for a good many years too. I just think it's really pretty. I suppose it can be used as a paperweight. So I thought this turned out really pretty for a spring tablescape. Another one of those goblets from Amazon. This one has more of a greenish tint. So there we go for my Tablescape Tuesday for today. I want to thank Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor for hosting this. Now be sure to check out the playlist and leave everyone with a nice comment and a like. Thank you all for watching and see you next week. Bye-bye for now.